How to invest in real estate during a recession. We are all aware that investing during a recession may bring advantages and disadvantages at the same time. So in this video, we will be talking about how can we invest in real estate during a recession. A temporary drop in prices during a recession can undermine the value of a stock portfolio. A recession is not always ideal, but it can offer opportunities for knowledgeable real estate investors. If you are trying to invest in real estate during a recession, or if you already own an investment property, it's important to have a strategy that maximizes your profits. Financial advisors can help you make real estate investments during a recession. First question up ahead, is real estate a good investment in recession? A recession is characterized by a shrinking economy. People spend less money on discretionary purchases and instead focus on their necessities. Companies can delay employment or dismiss employees to improve profits. Stock prices can fall as the economy remains uncertain. It is not necessarily a good picture, but real estate can provide investors with a certain degree of stability when the economy slows. Correlation of stock is low. Historically, real estate has a low correlation with the stock market. This means that if a recession raises equity volatility, it has little to do with the real estate market. People still need housing. Even when the economy is weak, people need a place to stay. Real estate investors are well suited to expect stable rental income when demand for rental properties. Recession creates bargains. Home prices do not fall automatically before the recession. However, if a recession cools the housing market, investors may have the opportunity to buy rentals at discounted prices. If you are interested in starting in a real estate investment during a recession, you should first consider which type of real estate is best for you. Buying a rental property may be a natural choice. As long as you can keep your tenants, renting real estate can generate income during a recession. Single-family homes, duplex, triplex, quadruplex, apartments, and condos are some of the rental properties that you might consider. The more units you can rent, the more rental income you can generate. However, increasing the number of units can increase overall maintenance costs and responsibilities. You can hire a property manager to supervise your rental for you, but you have to pay them a fee that can eat into your profit. But if you're not interested in owning a long-term rental property, you can flip through real estate instead. Flipping means finding a property, repairing it, and reselling it for more than you paid for it. Flipping real estate in a recession can be tougher because the pool of voluntary home buyers can shrink. However, if you can find a qualified buyer relatively quickly, you can make a big profit by turning the house over and buying the house at the lowest price. Aside from the rental properties and the residential real estate such as warehouse space and farmland may continue to perform well during a recession. Like homes, during a recession, people need staple foods such as wheat and corn, products that can be used for production by investing in agricultural land. Students and senior housing can also be a good investment, as students need housing while attending school. The aging population of the United States means that demand for elderly housing is unlikely to slow quickly, whether or not a recession is ongoing. Investing in commercial real estate is attractive because you don't have to take out a loan or buy real estate. Instead, you can invest through a real estate investment trust REIT or real estate crowdfunding platform. REITs and real estate crowdfunding can offer the benefits of owning real estate without actually owning it. You can also invest in real estate stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, without buying real estate. If you want a detailed explanation on what a REIT is, you can check out our other video discussing REITs. I'll be tagging it in this video. I know it can be tough to invest during these hard times, but if you're interested in exploring real estate investing in a recession, here are 3 useful tips to keep in mind. Location. This is always an important factor when choosing a real estate investment. If you're looking for a rental property, know the area and measure the entire market. Ideally, you should look for rental real estate investment in areas where demand is high, and rental prices allow you to maintain the kind of rate of return you are looking for. Do we have a good investment cash flow? Cash flow refers to the amount of money in your pocket After deducting expenses for rental income, you may need to hold more cash reserves to cover future costs, especially if inflation remains high during the recession. Always compare your financial options. If you need to raise money for an investment property, pay close attention to interest rates and borrowing options. Interest rates can rise early in a recession and fall as the Federal Reserve adjusts interest rates policies to encourage spending and borrowing. Loan timing can make a big difference in the overall cost of a loan. There are a lot of things to consider when you decide to start investing, and especially during recession. But don't worry, as we are here to help.